Yeah, you're too close.
No shit. All right, guys, here we are again. Sorry about that. Gotta have my Corona. Gonna start taking off my old stacks and gonna be installing some new 8-inch stacks on my truck. These are the old 6-inch stacks we're taking off. Just as you can tell, this elbow right here, it's pretty shitty. So, but I was putting off on it. I was waiting off on it because I was trying to get my 8s. So yeah.
Maybe I'll get the bumper for you.
Can edit ship.
You ready?
Yep. All right. Yep. I'm gonna loosen all these 4 bolts. 2 bolts each clamp. This elbow's still pretty good, not the other one. The other one's pretty shitty. Don't mind this. It needs paint too, as you can tell.
You gotta get like a magic word.
Alright guys, so my brother went ahead and did was these bolts right here were on there pretty good. They didn't want to come off, so he just chopped the clamp in half. Crappy anyways, we don't need it. So yeah, cut the clamp off, took all the bolts off the other clamps, so that one. So we should be good to take them off now. Alright, we done took that apart. It's on there pretty good. That's years and years of heat.
Cut the clamp.
Yeah, alright then. Had to cut, there's the clamp, moved it back for now. So, ready to come off now.
That's what we use.
We had we cut the clamp in half to get this off. We used flathead and a hammer to break it in, get all that shit out. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. All right, we're gonna take it down. Let's see how this goes.
Hold on.
Yep.
Ready?
Yep.
You got it?
Yep.
Alright. Ready to go slowly?
Yep.
Alright, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
There it is.
You're gonna have mounted them like this way.
Short as fuck go up.
Alright.
Alright, one down. Huh?
Go, George.
A lifesaver with beer.
Alright, well.
Alright, what's going on is trying to.
Break it? Huh?
We're gonna move the step forward. We're moving the step forward.
No, I opened it.
We're just holding. We're putting that there to hold the step. Gonna unbolt it, move it forward, and make the stack fit.
Well, move forward.
Forward.
Yeah, a little bit. More. Oh, because it's in on top. Alright, well, go ahead. Whoa. Let's. Whoa. Alright, go ahead, go up. Alright. Yeah.
Alright. Quick update. Went ahead and moved the step. Can't see it. Kinda. Move the step over. About how much we moved? Like about 2 inches?
Yeah.
About 2 inches. Got some clearance here for the stack. Not enough, so we got to drill another hole, move it over, another jump, and we should be good. Here's the new bracket. So we're due for today. Come back tomorrow and see what else we can do. Alright, so we're starting off. For you guys, it's probably the next day, but for us, it's like 2 weeks later because we're pros at procrastinating. So, what we've done today was, I can't remember where we left off last time. I think we just moved the steps forward, took all this shit apart, and I think that was it. Well, all we done today was we got the measurements lined up, we got all the new bolts, got it mounted up, lined up. Put the other side on too. We'll show you that right now, but we got it lined up. We had to move the step forward so we can use the rod pick and elbows to go in. And yeah, got that mounted up, got everything set it right, tightened up the step, and did the same thing to the other side. On the other side, we already went ahead and put the rod pick and elbows in. Go ahead and show you that. So, all right, so that's my brother. Drinking a beer.
Master mechanic right here.
Yeah, he's been doing most of the work. I just been kind of like, you know, pivot that way, pivot this way, spit here, spit there. Anyways, yeah, took this pipe down, the 6, measured up the same way as the other one, got it lined up. And this one we actually put the elbow in, so that's kind of what it's gonna look like. Gonna finish up the other side with the elbow as well. And then we're gonna call it a day for the day. Next, we're gonna be taking this old exhaust off, running it down to the white pipe, actually connecting them because right now they just look pretty. But so yeah. Once we get the other elbow installed, we'll go ahead and show you that. And all right, we finished. My arm doesn't go that much further, so I'm sorry if it's in my face because I have short ass arms. So I don't even know if you can see me. Shit. All right, we got the elbow put on. Put this battery cover back on. There it goes. Got the elbow put on. I'm gonna have panels for this at the house. That's gonna be our next step. One of them first is gonna polish. It's ugly. We have these panels at the house. Gotta get them mounted on. We have to de-wrap all the way around back here. We have to cut them to make them even with the tank. We got both sides, so that's coming up soon, and we're gonna need it to cover up the old exhaust right here because that's a no-no. But as of right now, we got it mounted up. Gonna finish the exhaust up probably tomorrow whenever we get a chance. Like I said, we can procrastinate to the max, so yeah. There it is. There it is. There's some lazy Mexicans right there. All right. And with that being said, we'll see you guys on another video, next video, whatever. So yeah.